Yesterday, we talked about adding two three-digit numbers together, but we did it without having to regroup. So today, let's just review why sometimes in addition we have to regroup and how to do it using the vertical method. Let's take these two numbers. I'll use 156 plus 238. Okay. Now, when I represent these numbers in a hundreds, tens, and ones chart, it looks like this. 150, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put this in a new row so that I have nice rows of 5. Then I add my second number, 238. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now I'm ready to add the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. I see that I have more than 10 ones, which means I can take 10 ones out and turn them into a 10. Let me do that here. If I take these 6 and then I add 4 more, that will make a 10. So I'm going to circle those, move it over here, and make another 10. How many ones do I have left? Well, I have 4 ones left. So 4 ones here. Now I can add the tens. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. So I can just write that down here. And now I have 3 hundreds. So my answer is 394. Here's what that looks like using the vertical method. 156 plus 238. If I add 6 plus 8, it makes 14. I take out the 10, put the 4 ones down here, and then I move on to the tens place. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, and then 1 plus 2 is 3. So I got the same answer, 394, 394. Let me show you one more time. Here's a new problem. I'm going to write it vertically so you can follow along with the vertical method while I show it on the 100, tens, and ones chart. My new problem is going to be 387 plus 255. There I have it written the vertical way. Over here, I'm going to do it with a hundreds, tens, and ones chart. So first I represent my top number, 387. 380, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I represent the number that I'm adding, 255. 250, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I always start with the ones place, so I'm going to do that now. I have 7 ones up here, so if I add 3 more, that makes a 10. I'll move the 10 over here into the tens place. And left I have 2 ones. I can add that to my vertical method over here. 7 plus 5 is 12, so I move a 10 over there, and I have 2 ones left. It's the same thing here as it is here. We just write it in a different way. Now let me add up all my tens. There's a lot of tens to add up today. Well, I have 5, 6, 7, 8 here, so I know if I add 2 more, then that's going to make 10 tens. Well, 10 tens is the same thing as 100, so I'll add another 100 to my hundreds place here. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens left. Let me show you what that looks like here. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So we take 10 of those tens, turn them into 100, and there's 4 tens left. Now I'm ready to add my hundreds. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 hundreds. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 is 6. 6 hundreds. So as you can see, we can use a hundreds chart, or we can use the vertical method, and both of them give us the correct answer.